Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the just arrived Bowman Chrome. So Bowman Chrome this year is going to deliver 2 autographs per box. It is the 12 packs with the 2 mini box. So let's take a look, see what they're offering this year. It's a great product. It is on our website, sportszonetoyscomics.com. If you buy a box, we're also going to ship you free pack of top loaders with it as well, 35 point. We started our own supply company with some of the shortages and stuff. We want to always have supplies, so we'll send those out to you guys as a thanks for buying a box. So it looks like we're going to guarantee 1 autograph per mini box. We got Adley Rutschman and Elijah Green on the cover there. Let's open this up and pull some Adley Rutschman. Corbin Carroll you want to look for this year. That's another big one. Got some Gunnar Henderson in here. Anthony Volpe. Bunch of rookies to look for in Bowman Chrome. Some low number refractors. Maybe we could pull a super refractor. All kinds of stuff. Love Bowman Chrome. All right, so we'll do, so there's Matt Olson, the home run king this year. Just tied Andrew Jones for the most homers in Braves history at 51. Arizona Fall League. And we'll have our Bowman Chrome prospects here. Veterans, prospects, rookies. There's Hunter Brown.
Can't believe
the Pirates rookie. There's a Jason Dominguez. Sweet. That is a numbered to 125 teal. So that's a really good one. Luis Acuna Angel and Michael Arroyo. Wow, that's pretty awesome with that Dominguez. Starting off right. There's a Riley Green iconic insert. Seiya Suzuki, numbered to 199. Another form of green, but it's a different green than the other one. There's another Jason Dominguez. Blaze Jordan. Prospect. Making us sweat out that autograph here. All right. Riley Green. Gunnar Henderson. And our first autograph. It's a Bowman first. Christian. On the Diamondbacks. There's another first. I like to separate the first ones and save those. I believe that was literally the first. Yeah. We did not get any up to this point. So pretty cool. Hope you're enjoying the break. Plenty more packs here to go. Luis Ariz with the batting title leader this year. Yoshida's rookie. That's a good one. Hey, there's a refractor that we did not get yet, numbered to 299. Another first. 2 of them. 2 first. It's all right. All right, Javier Baez. Rookie, our second autograph. That one looks like damaged, though. That's not good. 2 Bowman's first. Never know. All right. So we appreciate you watching. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. won't even mention his name. Hans Montero, first for the Yankees. And a Brooks Bannon, first. Now we're starting to hit the first. All right, last pack. See what we can pull. Ruiz, rookie. An iconic Bobby Witt Jr. Oh, we did get a numbered. Green Brady House /99. First, Mola for the Pirates. And Jose's first for the Marlins. This was your Bowman Chrome 2023 baseball. Thank you so much for watching. Click the link below. You can take you right to our website to buy a box. We'll ship it to you today along with some free supplies. Thanks so much. Have a nice day.